Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix CCTV camera color distortion due to white balance issues or a damaged camera sensor. Issue: color distortion. CCTV footage looks unnatural, too blue, red, yellow, or green, or the colors are inverted or faded. Step-by-step fix. Part 1. Fix white balance issue. White balance controls how colors appear based on lighting. Step 1. Check live feed in different lighting. View the camera feed in daylight, low light, and artificial light. If colors shift unnaturally depending on the lighting, white balance settings may be the issue. Step 2. Access the camera settings menu. Use the DVR/NVR menu or the camera's web interface. Locate your camera. Select image settings or video settings. Step 3. Adjust white balance. Look for a setting labeled White Balance Mode. Options include Auto, Default, Daylight, Incandescent, Fluorescent, Manual, Custom. Try switching between these modes and observe the color changes in live view. Step 4. Use Manual White Balance if available. If Manual Custom mode is available, adjust red-blue gain sliders until colors look natural. Use a white surface, paper, or wall in front of the camera as a calibration reference. Step 5. Save and apply settings. After making changes, save and reboot the camera if required. Recheck the live feed under different lighting to confirm the correction. Part 2. Fix damaged camera sensor. If color issues persist even after correcting white balance, the image sensor may be faulty. Step 1. Test with another monitor or port. View the camera on a different monitor or DVR channel to rule out output display issues. Step 2. Swap camera channels. Temporarily connect the problematic camera to another working channel. If the problem follows the camera, it's likely a camera hardware issue. Step 3. Inspect the camera physically. Look for signs of moisture inside the lens, cracks or discoloration, corroded connectors in the lens and housing gently. Step 4. Perform factory reset if possible. Check if the camera has a reset button or option in the web interface. Perform a factory reset and test again. Step 5. Replace the camera. If the image is still distorted and you've tested it on different channels, reset settings, and cleaned the lens, then the sensor may be permanently damaged. Consider replacing the camera with a new one of similar specs. Bonus: prevent future issues. Always use surge protectors to avoid sensor damage from power spikes. Install cameras in weatherproof housings if exposed to harsh environments. Regularly clean lenses and check for condensation or spider webs. Let me know your camera model if you'd like a brand-specific guide, for example, Hikvision Dahua Reolink.